The Park Avenue Connector Trail is a 3,000-foot multi-use trail connecting Lake Wailes Park to the historic downtown district. This is the city's first step in establishing a network of trails linking residents to parks and area establishments.
It's only just begun. Lake Wailes Connected, this is the first piece of it, and it's going from here. Go down the rest of Park Avenue and see what's going on. It is absolutely amazing.
We're currently working with the community to gather feedback on closing the loop here in Crystal Lake Park and continuing our trail program in other locations.